Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to build a super simple calculator in Python. No libraries, just core logic. Okay, so let's start by creating basic functions for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So here we have defined four functions which take two numbers as input parameters and they return the result after doing the operations. It can be noted here that the divide function, we have added a check for division by 0 to prevent crashes because numbers are not divisible by 0. Now we will write a function to take operands and check if they are numbers or not. Here we are using try and except block. In try block, we are trying to convert the input values to float. If it is successful, then we return true. Otherwise, if error happens, we return false. Now we will create a function which will ask user to input an operator. We will check if the input is an operator or not. Here we are using a loop to ask user to input an operator. If user inputs any valid operator, we move ahead. If the user does not input any valid operator, we tell the user that he or she has given an invalid operator. He needs to try again. We are using letter X for multiplication. So we are using operator.lower to accommodate for small or capital X. Now we will write a function to take a number as input. If the input is anything other than a number, then we show an error and ask the user to input the number again. Here we use a while loop and checkNum function, which was defined previously to check the input is a number or not. The order that is used as a parameter is to dynamically show first, second, etc. in the input text. Now we will define a function that will take the operands as number 1, number 2 and the operator, and it will use the match case, call the necessary functions and get the result and return the received results as output. Finally, we arrange them. Here we call the takeNum function to take the first number. Then we call to the getOperator function to get the operator which the user wants to perform the operation. Then we use the takeNum function to take the second number. So here you can notice the order we are using. So here we are giving first and second as the parameters in the takeNum function. So now we store the result from the perform operation function in a variable. If the result is false, which may happen in the division by zero case, we show the error, otherwise we print the result. Then we ask the user if they want to check with any other combination or want to exit. And we handle that by using a while loop.